How to fix Booking.com Genius points missing. To fix missing Booking.com Genius points or progress, you must resolve account sync errors or verify if your past stays qualified for the loyalty tracker. So, to fix your account sync and login issues, ensure that you are not logged in as a guest or via a separate social media profile like Apple ID or Facebook. Now, go ahead and launch the application, then tap on this bookings option. From here, you should be able to see your booking history matches up. And what you can also do is simply clear your device's cache. Head backwards and open the app drawer, find the app icon from the app drawer, then head to the storage section within the app info, then proceed to clear the cache and go ahead and launch the application once again. And what you can also do is simply head backwards and open any web browser of your choice, then head to the official site of the Booking.com and proceed to log into your account using your login credentials. And this is how you can fix Booking.com Genius points missing. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.